How to get a Chinese tourist visa, the step-by-step guide that works holding up the rejected passport. This is the #1 dream killer for a trip to China. The visa process feels confusing, intimidating, and the fear of rejection is real. But what if I told you it's actually a simple, step-by-step formula? Welcome to the Middle Kingdom Code, the channel where we break down life in China for foreigners. I'm Joe, and we're about to crack the code on the Chinese tourist visa. If you're new here, we provide the real, no-fluff guides you need to travel, live, and thrive in China. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell to make sure you don't miss our weekly guides. Now let's get you that visa. Section 1. The Golden Rule and Visa Basics first. The Golden Rule you must know. You must apply in the country of your passportee's nationality or where you have legal long-term residence. You can't apply from a country you're just visiting. You're applying for an L visa, the standard tourist visa, and the entire process boils down to 4 fail-proof steps. Master these, and you're 90% of the way there. Section 2, the 4-step visa blueprint. Let's break down the 4 steps. And if you're finding this helpful, please do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now. It tells YouTube this guide is valuable and helps other travelers find it. Step 1. The online application COVA form. This is your foundation. You'll fill out the COVA form online. Pro tips. Be 100% accurate. No nicknames, no mistakes. It must match your passport and documents exactly, itinerary and hotel. You need a day-by-day plan and hotel bookings. Use a site like Booking.com that allows free cancellation, invitation letter, a powerful alternative if you have a friend in China who can provide a letter, and a copy of their ID. Step 2. Gathering your evidence of stability. This is where most applications fail. You need to prove you're a genuine tourist who will return home. You need 3 pillars of evidence. Pillar 1. Flight reservations. A round-trip ticket. Do not buy the ticket, yet get a reservation. Pillar 2. Hotel bookings. Match these to your application form. Pillar 3. Financial proof. Your last 3-6 months of bank statements. The balance should be healthy. Bonus biller. Employment. A letter from your employer is solid gold for proving you'll return. Step 3. The appointment and submission. You'll book an appointment at your local Chinese visa application service center. You must go in person. Bring your printed and signed application form. Your passport with at least 6 months validity. 1 passport photo. All your supporting documents. The payment fee. Step 4. The waiting game and collection. You'll get a pickup slip. Normal processing is about 4 business days. Then you return and collect your passport with its shiny new visa. Section 3. Pro tips and common pitfalls to avoid. Now for the insider secrets, the things that can make or break your application. Pitfall number 1. The white glove test. Your application form cannot have a single mistake or white out. If it does, they will reject it. Print a fresh copy. Pitfall number 2. The ghost itinerary. An unrealistic itinerary is a major red flag. Make it realistic. Pro tip. Apply early. You can apply up to 3 months before your trip. Don't wait until the last minute. Pro tip. Photocopy everything. Bring photocopies of every document. It always looks more professional. Conclusion. Your visa is ready. And that's it. You've just cracked the code on the Chinese tourist visa. It's not about magic. It's about meticulous preparation. Follow these steps and you'll be holding that visa in your hand, ready for the adventure of a lifetime. If this step-by-step guide took the stress out of your planning, please support our channel in 2 ways. First, smash that like button right now. It really helps us out. And second, subscribe to the Middle Kingdom Code. We're your #1 resource for turning your China dreams into a reality. From visas to daily survival guides, we decode it all. Now I want to hear from you. What part of the visa process are you most nervous about? Or what's the first place you'll visit in China? Let me know in the comments below. Next up on the channel, we are tackling another crucial first step: how to get a Chinese SIM card and stay connected to the second you land. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. This is the Middle Kingdom Code. We'll see you in the next one.